this split, Fnatic 5 out of 6. G2 are looking to be that next one.
They should be fine. Reckless steps up to clear.
Get back! Oh, Emperor! He's able to get out of this one.
Casino flash. I go this turn. I go civil. Civil, come civil. Okay, kill him all! Go back, push back. Go. We can end.
And G2 take a quickie to finish up game one.
Bevin on a hunt, looking for Trick, and he manages to take him down. Hybrid's gonna fall as well, and they just turn up the pressure.
Okay, go on, Lucia.
Yeah.
I'll jump over.
Nash, kill him and go Nash.
Fnatic with the 1-1 to even the series.
Hipster League of Legends player, or what's this with your t-shirt?
He wants to show his
arms. Oh, this is what you've been working for.
Of course.
Man, imagine if Steve joined Fnatic, man. The crowd will go nuts, man.
If Steve joins DSM, it's over for World.
Yeah, League of Legends is doomed, man.
Trick is going to go pretty low on this one. Bevin's been trying to cut him off at the pass, and he takes him out with the Ice Shard. Now, Spear's gonna fall after.
Skill Nautilus.
Alessandra, yes flash, kill him.
Nautilus on flash.
Nautilus. Alessandra.
Nice, Kiki! Nice!
And G2 eSports make a huge statement. And Fevivin is gonna get punished. Exhaust is down. Flash from the rest of Fnatic, and they are on the hunt.
I go civil.
Yeah. Wait, I go.
Yes,
We go civil. Camper.
Okay, we kill.
Nice.
I can recall him Baron now.
Okay.
We can go Baron.
Yeah.
We go fighting!
The Red Hot Rookies will knock off the reigning champs en route to a spring showdown in Rotterdam.